forget. The network should not be enough challenge for us to forget Ebaisi, who we are, really. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Your name and your location, sir.
This is Pastor Christopher calling you from Aba.
Okay. Today, what do you have to say?
Yes, my input about the similarities between some Christian
practice
and the Judaic observation.
Yeah.
As it has to do, as it has to contact or connect with Igbo tradition.
Yeah.
Is that of we call it Isanwa.
Isanwa.
In Bible, the Old Testament, the Bible told the Jews, the Israelites, that the number of days at a church it can be presented, specified in the temple. First did it.
Okay.
And today we are doing it, you call it child dedication.
Okay. So, how do we do it in Igbo land,
yes.
really?
Yes, in Igbo land, when a child is born, at the end of 28 days,
okay,
that is 4 days and is fire.
Okay.
Then the parents will present that very baby.
Okay.
And they will have a kind of feast, a celebration.
Okay.
To commemorate the coming of that very baby to the world.
Okay.
And after which, I'm talking myself to do the paganistic aspect of it.
Okay.
Then we invite the soothsayer, who will use that soothsayer to discover the very person that reincarnated that very baby.
Okay, yeah.
Yes. Then at the end of it, they will bring out what is called the autopsy that has to do with it symbolizes the involvement, the spiritual involvement of that very baby in the familyhood.
Okay.
That's very it's called the tree baby.
Okay.
At a time he will be required to bring up his seed to consult it. That symbolizes the link between that very person and the very person that reincarnated him.
Okay.
I'm a pastor, but I'm a typical Igbo man.
Oh, wow.
And they grow in the village.
Yeah.
And I know how it's being done.
Yeah. Okay.
There's another one, which if I remember, it's a set of one.
Okay. You do call in. Okay.
On it.
Okay. Thank you very much for your input. Thank you. Okay. You see, he's a pastor, but at the same time, he's grounded in his culture. That's what we need. We need our people. Even with Oiba, I am grounded in my own way. You know, so that kind of thing. We need our people to know our roots, irrespective of what we do, basically. And this is what this person that just called in now is like a model, you know, that we will have to learn from, basically. So what do you think? What are those similarities that we can find in our culture? You know, those similarities those practice we carry out that is similar with the practice in Christendom and Judaism. You know, The numbers to call once again to become part of the conversation are 080-9444-1035 or 080-9666-1035. Street Report is basically about conversation with Ndemaife, you know, people who will really tell us, take us down and explain some things we don't understand. That's what Street Report is all about. So, if you're grounded, get on board. Let's discuss this. Then, okay, let's see this call. Hello. Yeah, good evening.
Yes.
Okay, you okay. Remind us of the one you just remembered. Yeah.
You know, whenever I say I'm a pastor, we will begin to say that this is all that pastor. I'm a Pentecostal church pastor.
Yeah.
Now, another one. We call it, we used to call
Ije Pampaji.
Yes.
Okay.
Remember, I even participated in it for people still observe it. That the time will come after the harvest. Then, some of the yams that must not have been harvested, it will grow some people will be going, some people that have lost will be going from farm to farm where they have harvested the yam.
Okay.
And they will be picking out those ones that were left behind. In the land, in the Bible, God told the Israelites, the book of Leviticus, that whenever they will be harvesting their farm produce, that they have to look from.
Okay.
For the poor, strangers, and the widow.
Okay.
Who have lost. So that they can be feeding, they can, get themselves organized or somehow start up.
Okay.
That's very one that they get from those farms. So that is another similarity.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
If I run another one, I'll say so.
Yes, we appreciate that very much. Thank you very much, sir. The numbers to call again are 0094441035. Even if you don't have anything to contribute, really, call in and encourage the ones who are educating us, like the pastor that just called in. Yeah, and another number to call again is 08096661035. You know, although it's easy to be getting all of these details, the education or the research and everything. You know, this is priceless. Let's see. Hello.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Okay,
program
okay, thank you. Yes.
Maka ọ na-abụ onye amụalụ asụsụ ahụ asụrụ ya bụ asụsụ bepa ọ gbaziela asụsụ bepa ahụ ọ wee bido n'akwụkwọ ngwa ndị nne na nna ha na-agụrụ akwụkwọ mana nne na nna bipụ ha ji ka ha jee mụta anya bụ akwụkwọ ka ọ ya bụ nwa onye kpụba ahụ iyi ma ọ na-ya edere ha akwụkwọ maka agụ anya o zikọ m nke a zikọ na omenala anyị bụ oyibo ọgbọ maka na asụ anyị ka a na-asụ ite mebiri emebi erika anyị ji aka anyị ụfọdụ ndị ji aka ọ na-ezikọ na ha bụrụ Igbo mana o nwere ife dị iche na omenala na ịgụ alụsị ịgụ ọjị akwụkwọ na omenala ka ọ bụ efe eji mara onye Igbo ịbụrụ onye Igbo na o jiri ọjị na-ekwukwasị okwu ịma na onye Igbo na-ejụghị onye ife afọ ife ọ na-eme ọzọ bụrụ ife dị ka ịgụ nzu ndị Igbo ndị na-atụ nzu na Naịjirịa o nwere ndị ọzọ na-atụ nzu na Brazil ma ị na-aga ezi wee fụ ebe eji nzu n'aka ejibezie ka ndị na-ebe ahụ ma nọ ndị Igbo a nọgwa egwodo ma na onye a na-azụ omenala pa ya bụ onye Igbo wee na-atụ ya bụ nzu na ọkaba si efe nke ma echetara aka ka ndị ọzọ tinye kama na ekene ka m na-enye etu unu jidesie ike ka anyị nataba na ọ ga-enyere anyị aka ka anyị rapụtụrụ tupu anyị na-atụ na ọ nwere ihe ọ ga-enyere anyị ama m o doo m anya na nkwudo na mmanya na a na-aṅụ mmanya mana ibe eji nwee mara ndị Igbo bụ mmanya ọcha mmadụ onye maara etu esi emezinye ya mmanya ọcha kịta ọbịa ọgwa anyị arụ maka na ọ nwere ebe ị ga-eji okwu nwaanyị mmanya ọcha adịghị ma na ọ nwere isi mana kere ndị na-etenye ya mmanya ọcha onwe ozi onye na-eti ya so ka anyị alataba azụ ife anyị kpọrọ asị ife ya enyere anyị aka daalụrị nne jidesi ike ọnwa amụ na mma etinye m akpọ
daalụrị nne nwa mụrụ na nwa. Thank you so much. Thank you.